Hello there. Welcome to Grade 10 Business Studies. Today, we want to look at the common test of April 2021. And this is a common test from the province of KwaZulu-Natal. So we are going to look at section A only, according to this video. So we're going to start on the multiple choice section, where it reads various options are provided as possible answers. I can follow the question number. We've got one point of micro environment. And we know that micro environment consists of all the factors that a business can control. And these factors are within the business environment, that is the internal environment of the business. So basically, that's what we have in terms of the micro environment. And according to the options that we are given, you would see that the only one that is within the context of the internal part is the vision. So we have vision as the correct response that we have, which is B. So we go to the next part of our question, which is a fixed capital consists of vehicles, equipment, and cash. And we're given land buildings and debtors, fixed cash in the bank, and then trading stock. But we know that when we're talking about fixed capital, we relate them to non-current assets or fixed assets. So basically, according to the responses that we have got land buildings are being our fixed assets there, which means A becomes the correct response that we have. 1.1.3, these are the following sector includes businesses that are controlled by government. So if you check there with private sector, service sector, industrial sector, and the public sector, and we know that this is the public sector is the one that is controlled by the government. And we know that when it's now private, they're controlled by individuals, not the government. So basically, that's what we have. Go to the next part of the question. Supermarket is a retailer, and there's a direct competition with, obviously, we're going to look for a retailer that we have in the answer that we are given. So you see that ShopRite is not a retailer that we have there, so it becomes A is the correct response. So we go to the next part of our question, which is now 1.1.5, which says strategic decisions are taken at this level of management, top level. So this is what we have according to the multiple choice section. So we want to move on to the next section. So 1.2 reads, choose a description for column B that matches a term in column A. Write only the letter A to J next to the question number, and we're given how to present it in your other book. That is from 1.2.1 to 1.2.5. And then the way we are going to present it are there in the answer section. So we have column A, we have column B, and terms given in column A. So the first term that we have is a mission statement. So obviously, mission statements describes what line of business a company is in and why it exists and what purpose it serves. So therefore, you'll see that it's a simple and brief description that encompasses the purpose of the company, and also it shows direction in which the company is going. So basically, according to the responses that we are given there, if you go to response B, it says refers to the direction on how the business intends to achieve its vision. Obviously, here it's vision. And B is the correct response that we have for 1.2.1. Then we've got 1.2.2, non-governmental organization, that is our NGO. Obviously, the description that we have in terms of our NGO, that is our non-governmental organizations, we know that these are community-based. Basically, they are community-based and they seek to improve social and political problems locally, nationally, and also internationally. So basically, that's what we have in terms of the governmental organization. So according to responses that we are given there, you would see that we have J, which is the correct response, which is these are community-based organizations that employ workers, supply and consume goods and services. So basically, that's what we have. So they are community-based organization. So we have J as the correct response. So we are saying J. And go to the next one, which is now 1.2.3, legal environment. So legal environment, obviously, is the environment that consists of the rules and laws that govern that environment. So basically, that's a legal environment. So we check according to responses that we have. You'll see that we have E, we say all laws and regulations in place to control business operations. So we have E as the correct response. Then 1.2.4, formal sector. Formal sector, we know that consists of industries, consists of businesses that are registered. And obviously, these businesses are liable to pay tax to SARS. So according to responses that we have there, F consists of form to pay tax to SARS. So intermediaries act as link between the the business and its customers. So basically, that's what we have. So on intermediaries, we check again and small that matrix. We've got G. It is the link between business and customer. So we have G as our correct response. And this marks the end of our section A. Hopefully the video was helpful. Let's don't forget to subscribe and share to our channel. Let's meet again in the next video.